Alright guys, hocus pocus.
Everybody focus.
We are starting a new math unit. So you'll have a brand new homework and remembering packet, which means I want you to actually totally get rid of your old stuff so that you don't accidentally get them confused. So you should have done that yesterday. Keep your blue study sheets. We're still going to be practicing facts like all the time. This whole unit is still multiplication and division. And I will have really, you just keep your study sheets and your new homework and remembering, and I want to go over this letter. So this is what goes home to your parents. And I'm just reviewing it with you. I know that you guys here went through it with the sub. This is for my online friends and a refresher for you, or if you were gone. It says, dear families, in this unit, students learn multiplications and divisions for 6s, 7s, and 8s, while continuing to practice the rest of the basic multiplications and divisions covered in Unit 1. I'm going to pause because I have some friends who have not cleared their desks. 3, 2, 1. Put it away. Okay. Although students practice all of the 6s, 7s, and 8s multiplications, now you only have 6 new multiplications to learn. 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 7 times 7, 7 times 8, and 8 times 8. So I want to take my video over here. Hopefully Mr. Sweeney showed you guys this yesterday, but this is what's kind of exciting for math. See if I can get this lined up nice. On this entire multiplication table, right? You guys have done all these facts. This is all that's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the only ones that we haven't listed the count bys for and hopefully started to memorize. That's it. So we finished Unit 1. You learned all of these. Unit 2 here, we're really going to focus in on just these 9 ladies. I will see you in a minute. Mm-hmm. That's what we're going to do. That's what this unit's all for. So 6s, and the fun thing is I have a whole bunch of little songs and rhymes that make memorizing these ones like super fast. Okay? So let me finish reading this letter and then I'll go through those really quick with you, okay? It says, this unit also focuses on word problems. Students are presented with a variety of one-step and two-step. Have any of you already seen some two-step problems? Would you shut the door for me, Dax?
Yeah.
Have any of you already seen some two-step problems in Prodigy?
Yes.
I might have tried to challenge you with those.
Yes,
You're going to start seeing those now in math, which is fine because you'll see that we can do those equations that have parentheses, so you know what you need to do first and then what you follow up with. Here's an example of one. A roller coaster has 7 cars. Each car has 4 seats. If there were 3 empty seats, how many people were on the roller coaster? Well, first we would have to figure out how many seats there are if it was full, right? So you could say, okay, if my roller coaster were full, there'd be 7 cars with 4 seats in each car. That would be like this. 7 groups of 4, right? Gunnar, find your seat. And then we would say, oh, there's 3 empty seats. So I need to take away 3 of those and say those ones are not full. That would be my next step. See how I put that as a 2-step equation? Parentheses means do this first. Do I have a mathematician in the house that already has 7 times 4 memorized? Keegan? It is 28. 28 minus 3. Get that in your thinking brains, and when I drop my hand, you can tell me what it is. 28. 28 minus 3. 28 minus 3 is?
25!
So our answer would be 25 people. And that's it. You guys have already practiced those equations. We just have to figure out how to write those equations for our 2-step word problems. Capiche? You're going to use the language and the context of each problem to determine which operation or operations, because friends, they're going to start throwing all of them at you. You might have a multiplication word problem, maybe a division one, maybe addition, maybe subtraction. They might all be jumbled up on the same page.
Prodigy does
So we're going to be really be listening for key words. I sent home those practice packets for you guys. Those key words are going to be big, and remembering, oh, if it says and, I'm probably going to be adding. If it says something about groups of or in each group, I'm probably going to be multiplying or dividing, right? So start listening for those key words because you're going to solve it. You're going to use a variety of methods to solve the two-step problems. And then guess what? This is your parents' homework, but it also affects you. Because it's asking your parents, it says, please continue to help your child get faster on multiplications and divisions. Use all of the practice materials that your child has brought home. Your support is crucial to your child's learning. You know what this means? Me and Mrs. Scholes is asking your parents to quiz you on your multiplications at home. You're welcome. But seriously, focus. Seriously, I want you to do it. I want you to spend about 10 minutes every night. Pull out flashcards or pull out your study sheet. Friends, if you get these memorized, do you know how much easier your life is going to be in math?
Easy.
It's insane. If you memorize them now in 3rd grade, the rest of 3rd grade will be 1,000 times easier. And 4th grade will be so much kinder to you because if you don't have them memorized, 4th grade's kind of a kick in the pants because they not only expect you to remember to do all of this, but they give you harder multiplication problems and they give you long division problems and you have more homework on top of that. And so I want you guys to be rock solid in your facts. Capiche? It tells your parents, call if you have any questions or comments. Thank you, your teacher. So I got to teach you these songs. Sound good?
Yes.
There's a few little rhyme things, and I told you the facts are 6 times 6, 6 times 7, 6 times 8, 7 times 7, 7 times 8, and 8 times 8. Are you ready? This one just rhymes. Oh, my land's right. Her sidebars. Fix that, please. 6 times 6 is 36.
6 times 6 is 36.
The next one is 6 times 7. Channel 6.
Channel 6.
Channel 7.
Channel 7.
Fox 42.
Fox 42.
Anybody have Fox 42 as a channel on their TV?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a channel 6. There's a channel 7. There's Fox 42. Next one is 6 times 8. Oh, you guys will like this one. 6 and 8 went on a date.
6 and 8 went on a date.
When they came back, they were 48.
When they came back, they were 48.
It makes no sense, but it doesn't have to because you're going to remember it and you'll get that fact memorized. Let's do the next one. Ooh, this one's fun. 7 times 7, I'm feeling fine.
7 times 7, I'm feeling fine.
Even though I'm 49.
Even though I'm 49.
What else do I have? 7 times 8.
7 times 8.
7 times 8, I pick up sticks.
7 times 8, I pick up a 6.
When I pick them up, there's 56.
When I pick them up, there's 56.
I've got to tell you guys, my 5th grade teacher taught these to me, and I haven't been able to forget them, so I know that they'll help you too.
I picked up more nails plus all
Here's my last one. 8 times 8.
Oh,
8 times 8, I shut the door.
8 times 8, I shut the door.
When I opened it up, there were 64.
When I opened it up, there was 64.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 facts that are left. And I know I circled 9 on the chart, but the reason that you only have to memorize 6 is because if you've got 8 times 6, do we already know the answer to that one? Yeah. And then the other one is 7 times 6. We already know too, right? And 8 times 7 also. So I've got these fun rhymes to help you. We will be practicing these.
I did too.
We will also continue to practice the facts that you've already learned because I want you to memorize them. What do I want you to do?
Memorize them.
Yep. Good luck, my friends. We're going to get speedy, and you got this.